Are you ready to discover a delicious secret to better health? These little red gems are not just a summer treat. They're packed with incredible benefits that can boost your wellness in surprising ways. Stick around as we unveil the top 5 health benefits of cherries, plus 2 unexpected perks that will make you want to add them to your daily routine. Cherries have even made their mark in popular culture, like in the classic novel The Secret Garden, where cherries symbolize health and rejuvenation. Or in the catchy song Cherry Bomb by the Runaways, celebrating youthful energy. Whether you love sweet or tart cherries, these fruits are more than just a tasty treat. They're loaded with nutrients, antioxidants, and health-boosting properties that can enhance your well-being. Let's jump right in. Cherries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that these compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, making cherries a powerful ally for your health. Anti-inflammatory properties: if you suffer from inflammation, cherries can help. Research in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition shows that tart cherry juice can lower markers of inflammation, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis and post-exercise soreness. Get to know more about Your Calmer Your Health. Your Calmer Your Health is my attempt to encourage you to delve deeper into the world of natural remedies and superfoods. Now in my 40s, I've come to appreciate the importance of eating well and wish I had started doing so sooner. It is so true that if you do good to your body will do good to you. So next time before you put something inside your body, ask for your gut's approval. And now back to the video where we explore how this tasty fruit can also help you catch those Z's. Struggling with sleep? Tart cherries are a natural source of melatonin. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that participants who drank tart cherry juice experienced longer and better sleep compared to those who didn't. It's a tasty way to catch those Z's. Cherries can boost your heart health. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, regular cherry consumption is linked to lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels, which can reduce your risk of heart disease. Looking to manage your weight? Cherries are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition suggests that fiber-rich foods like cherries are excellent for appetite regulation. Here's a surprising benefit: cherries can help relieve pain. Research published in Osteoarthritis and Cartilage found that consuming tart cherry juice may help reduce symptoms of gout and arthritis, providing natural pain relief. And for our second bonus, cherries can boost your mood. The vitamin C and antioxidants in cherries may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, according to a study in Nutritional Neuroscience. So, they're not just good for your body, they're good for your mind too. So there you have it, the top 5 health benefits of cherries, plus 2 unexpected surprises that show just how powerful these little fruits can be. From improving your sleep to boosting your mood, cherries truly deserve a place in your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and fun recipes. Let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy cherries. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy.